So once the pipe is pre-cut, we take it to our benders. This is 3D CNC bending machine, which converts a straight tube into different 3D shapes. So once the bending is done, the bended part comes to the workstation. Now the production team has got a daily plan on what part needs to be produced and when. So according to the plan, they use the pre-bends and then they use the jigs to manufacture the part. I'll show it to you now. So this is one of the pre-bends fitted onto a jig. The whole purpose of this jig is to make sure that the part is made to quality and it fits first time. It's got a lot of controls which are put up into the jig to make sure that the weld is done at the right place, the profile is same. I'll give you another example of the newly made jig which we have made. So this is for the 79 series 2.8 liter which has specially come out, and this is a jig for the connecting pipe for that. If you would like to see the profile of the pipe, which is clearly mentioned on that, it starts on this flange, finishes on that flange, and the profile goes resting onto these pins to make sure the surface conditions or the boundary conditions of that part is to perfection every single time. Now once this part is welded and has been approved by the production team, it will go out for painting, and once the painting is done, it will go out in our warehouse as a part of the stock. So once the parts are painted, they are brought upstairs to be stored here in our warehouse. Just an FYI, we got more than 400 variants for the 4x4s which are available in the country. And one of the major benefits of purchasing from Outback Exhaust is that we got the stock available all the time. And once you place an order, the order gets shipped from our premises within 24 hours.